right, I'm back with Jeff Wool, the Toolbox Transformer. Jeff, what have you got for us today?
Today we're going to add a third wheel on the Packout dolly so we don't have to carry all that weight on our arm when we're adding some Packout on top of the dolly.
All right, can you give us a spin?
Oh yeah, there you go.
And that wheel retracts as well.
Yes, so the dolly doesn't go anywhere when it's stored.
So it's like it's braked then.
It's a brake, and to bring it back up, there you go.
Beautiful. Let's do it.
Let's do it. So for this project, you will need the Tri-Bac third wheel from pilots.com. This product is sold in Canada only for online at homedepot.ca. It comes in 2-pack. You cannot buy only one. And for international, you could call them or send them an email to pilots.com. I got the information. They will send it to you to a decent price. And it's a really great product to install on your Packout. So what's in that box? We have a mounting plate and a 5-inch swivel wheel. So this thing will turn. We'll move the box over. So we need to do some cuts here. So it's quite easy. The plate, it's 9 1/4 wide. So the center of it will be 4 5/8. Everything, all the dimension is related to the center of the plate. So from here, the edge here to this line, it's about 5/16 to 3/8 distance. So the first cut we're going to do is these ones here. Here, it's 3 3/4 the width here. And we're going to stop the first cut right at this line. So this will help us to bend that piece backward. So it's not going to go all the way back if we're going to do the cut up to the here. So we want to stop right here. The second line is from this one here to this one here. That's 6 inches. So we're going to do a full cut all the way down, a full cut all the way down. And the last cut will be this one here. It's about a 16 off the edge of the hole here to a 16 off of the edge of that hole right here. So this will be 7 5/8 the distance between those 2 points here. So now the 6 cuts are done. We're going to flip it over. And we want to make a groove about 5/16 to 3/8 from the edge of the mounting plate. So you take a grinder with a zip cut, just make a small groove all the way down between the two first line here, the 3 3/4. And after we'll be able to bend that piece with some vice grip. So here are the vice grip. So it's a little bit tough to bend it, but it's quite easy if you do it small area at a time. And to a certain point, you're going to have to stop using the vice grip and use a hammer. There you go. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the rest of the cut up to the edge here to remove those 2 pieces, this one and that one. At the same time, we're going to remove about 60 degrees off of each corner here. So we could still use this as a grab handle to lift your Packout back in your vehicle. So now we have the base plate all done. This is what it should look like. It's all filed down so you don't cut yourself. And that, don't forget, this is your new handle, replacing this here. So, but we're keeping this. This will support all the weight. So this is going in here. Push it way back. And you should have 6 inches from the edge of that lip. Where's the lock? On each side. 6 inch. And 6 inches. Perfect. So from there, we just need to take the drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Mark it. Mark it. There we go. You just go right through. So the hardware needed. We need the panhead bolt, 1/4 inch by 20 by 5/8, a 5/16 wide washer, and 2 nylon luck nut. So put them in here. The panhead inside the box, the luck nut outside. Same thing on the other side. There, and tighten it right here with the screwdriver and the wrench. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to use some vice grip in a slight angle to put it tighter so it doesn't wobble like this here. You're not going to be able to take it out again. So you press few spots. So now this is very solid because we pinch it with a vice grip. Doesn't move at all. So now we're going to install the wheel. Quite easy. You could follow the instruction or follow what I'm saying. So this, put the wheel in, lined up the hole. There you go. Move back the pin right in so it locks that pin. And you're set. So you push the thing here, it locks. Close the lid. Lift it. It's locked, doesn't move. Press the handle here, drop the wheel, lift a little bit, and you're set to go.
Amazing, Jeff. Great modification.
Thank you. We'll see you next time.